Hello friends, in this video we going to see how to use COVID Self, India's first COVID self test kit. Before entering into the video, please subscribe to my channel. First we will see what are the contents available in the COVID self kit. There are total 5 items. First one is user manual, that is instruction for use. Second, pre-filled extraction tube. Then third, sterile nasal swab. Fourth, test card. Fifth, biohazard bag. Before starting the test, you have to prepare for the test. In test preparation, you have to wash your hand properly using hand wash. After that, you have to choose a neat and clean place. Tear the pouch and keep the components individually. Now take your smartphone and open Play Store for Android user or App Store for iOS user. Search for MyLab COVID Self. You will get MyLab COVID Self. Install that app. Now open MyLab COVID Self app and fill all the mandatory fields as per the ICMR guidelines. Now open the test card pouch. You will find the QR code in the test card. You have to scan that QR code. This will link your credentials to that QR code. Now take the pre-filled buffer tube and remove it out from the pouch. Tap that pre-filled buffer tube on the vertical surface to make sure the extractions buffer settle at the bottom. Unscrew the cap and hold the tube in your hand. Note, do not spill the content of the tube. Now open the swab package. Swab has two parts, tail end and swab head. Make sure you opening from a tail end part and take it out. Do not touch the swab head. Now using the sterile swab, insert the head part of a swab into one nostril. Insert up to 2 to 4 cm or until resistance is met. Now roll the swab 5 times inside the nostril. Using the same swab, repeat the process in other nostril. Now withdraw the swab from nostril and dip into the pre-filled extraction tube. Pinch at the bottom and swivel the nasal swab 10 times. Make sure that the swab is immersed well in the extraction buffer. Then find the breaking point on the swab. Now break the swab at breaking point. Discard the tail part of a swab and mix well. Now cover the filled tube with attached nozzle cap and tighten the lid. Now add 2 drops of extracted antigen buffer mixture into the test device by pressing the tube gently and wait for 10 to 15 minutes for result to appear. Read the result within 20 minutes. Strong positive result reported within 10 to 15 minutes. However, wait up to 20 minutes to report negative result. The result which appear after 20 minutes are not valid. Phone will give alarm to capture the test result. Click the picture and wait for the app to analyze and display your COVID-19 test result. How to identify the positive result and negative result? First, I will tell you how to identify the positive result. In positive result, if both control line C and test line T is superior, then the result is a positive for antigen. How to identify negative result? In negative result, only the control line C will appear. Test line T will not appear. If you get like that, the test result is negative. Now we came into final part. How to discard this kit? Open the biohazard bag. Put all the content inside that biohazard bag. Zip it up and discard as biohazard waste according to the local regulatory requirements. Please like, share and comment the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, friends.